Another new feature is the Embed CxF functionality. And to explain a little bit about what that is, I will load a few CxF X4 measurement files from spot colors. For example, this one. This is the full CxF X4 spot color data, which has remission, spectral information of this Pantone 123C film white color. So that's the full tone. These are gradation values, tint values, printed on substrate, on white, and printed on black. So that's the full information that is possible in a CxF X4 file format, which is dedicated for spot colors. So this is the full information that you can have. There is as well one variant that only has the full tone in spectral data. And there is another one which has the gradient, the tints of a spot color without the black combination. So all this can be saved in a CxF X4 document, and this can be then embedded into a PDF document. The advantage of that is that, for example, some proofing rips that are out there and some color servers, like our color server Zebra, takes advantage of this kind of information when they are embedded in the CxF. Can make sure then that the embedded information will be extracted and used for the conversion of spot colors and the entire PDF document. So that's a nice functionality, very helpful information. And spectral data are much more powerful than just the LRD information. And that's the beauty from CxF. And now the question is, how do I get this spectral information inside my PDF? And what you can do is you can select the patches that you want to embed, and then you simply select the Embed CxF tool. Take your PDF document that uses this kind of spot colors, like in this example here. This is a PDF using 4 spot colors. It tells me in this example that there is already CxF information embedded in the file. And now I can override this measurement data here in the data and optimize the data and embed it into my PDF. The reason I could do that or want to do that if there are some CxF data inside already is, for example, this. Let's see how this data looks like. I can see, okay, I have this kind of not so smooth curve, and I want to optimize my curve, for example, using my tone value functionality here. I want to do some correction according to ISO 26654 for this channel, and I apply that. And I have now an optimized curve, which is more suited to ISO 26645. For example, I can switch this down here and I can see, okay, that's quite suited now, much more than it was before. And I want to use this measurement data and embed it instead of the former measurement data that was there in the CxF. So I select my files here again that I want to embed. Select my PDF document, simply drag and drop will work, or clicking select. And now I can embed this data and save it into my PDF. Here we go. And this PDF can then be used in applications that take advantage of this CxF information. Currently, Adobe Acrobat won't take advantage of this. And therefore, you could use a tool like the Colors PDF Toolbox. And if you select that PDF, it will show us here below that there is some CxF information embedded in the file. And if you click here, it will show us which kind of CxF information is there. And it will show us the data structure, the CxF structure, which is not so helpful here, but at least we know that there is CxF information inside and that we can use and use further on. So the feature to embed CxF data works with spectral data. That's the first information. It works for spot colors. So it makes no sense, for example, to embed a media wedge into a PDF, and you'll see it will be grayed out if I select a media wedge. So it must be something like spot colors. And if I have some spot colors, then I can embed this spot color. And the PDF document must be a PDFX document, because that's the way how it's working. It is embedded in the output intent structure of a PDF document. In the PDF 2.0, the next generation of PDF, which has been released already, so it's out there. This is as well already available to the public. You can do this as well. So Zebra is open to work with all kind of PDFX documents, be it PDFX4 and the new version as well, PDF 2.0 is supported as well. So you can embed the measurement data inside, and the other way around works as well. So if you have a PDF document, you can simply drag and drop it, and it will show you which kind of measurement data, which kind of spot colors are in the file. So it will show you, for example, there are 4 spot colors in this PDF document, and it will extract all the CxF information, and it will tell us, okay, there is some CxF X4 information, 22 patches, and if you double click, it will show you which kind of spot color information are in that file. So quite helpful functionality to extract spot colors from such a file. And if you have, for example, a PDF without any spot color information, then if the spot color, like in this example, is available as LRB values, it will show the LRB values here. So that's quite nice functionality as well. And if I'm selecting that PDF document, you'll see how this looks like. So we have some information here. Why is that important? Especially for a tool like Zebra that is able to extract the spectral CxF information from a PDF. This way you can put in all the spectral information, provide that PDF to Zebra for conversion in whatever standards, for example, for proofing, for conversion into other color spaces, conversion of the spot colors especially, and this information can be further used. And there are other tools out there, others that are able to read CxF information for proofing. And that's the best information you can get from a PDF, because the LRB values that are stored in a PDF for the spot color are not accurate enough for all kinds of things. The nice thing here with ColorAnt is that we've added that functionality to ColorAnt to make this standard CxF X4 even more accessible, easy to use, and usable later on for other applications. The tool Embed CxF X4 is only available in the L license, in the higher version, for where we are processing multicolor and spot colors. And as this is a multicolor feature and a spot color feature, this belongs to that module. It's not available in ColorAnt M.